Hey guys, what is up? It's Cole, and today I'm gonna be unboxing. I got a little mini drone. It's a mini Hexacopter. So yeah, let's get into it. Got my knife here. Alright, so here it is. It's H18 5 GHz 6-axis gyro mini drone. It's a Hexacopter, so it has 6 rotors. Yeah. Come on. Alright, so down here we got a charger, manual, which you don't really need. But if you're new to this, then I would definitely recommend you to read that. And cool with that. So this is the charger. This is the remote. It's pretty nice, but it's not the best remote, but this is a really nice drone. So I'm gonna come back to you with the first flight and review. So bye. Guys, and we're back with first flight. Let's take it off here. Okay, wait. Got a little bit. There, jeez. So it's very sensitive. We could do some adjustments real quick. Backwards here. It looks like a cop. It has like that red and blue flashing light. Okay, wait, what's going on? Oh crap, we got hair in the prop. Not hair, carpet hair, not hair. It's not hair, but like, you know what I mean. Fur. Carpet fur. Okay, let's get back into this. Alright. Doing pretty good. That. Alright, I gotta get a right one. Now slide again. Alright. So it's pretty cool how it has that. It's very touchy. So I wouldn't recommend this for someone who's just starting off with drones. I would get like a a quad. Only has 4 props, and they're a lot easier. And I tried it for something small like a Hubsan. Those are nice. Nanocopters are fun too, but they're not really the best to start off. I mean, they're good to start off with, but you'll learn more from like medium-sized ones. This is pretty fun if you know what you're doing. Like, so it's really touchy, and I like it. Looks like a cop. It has that blue and red flashing lights. Yeah, I would give it. I'll give it like a 4-star, 3-star. It's touchy. I like it. It's touchy though. Like, it's real. Like, you have to get good with it. The thing is, I don't like is this remote. It's so small and like. So I can do flips. I don't know about that though. Alright, it says it can do flips, but I'm not too sure about that. So let's find out right now. Oh, that was sick. Let's try this again. Oh, yeah, that's so cool. Alright, bring it down to your level so you guys can see. It's kind of hard because I have 6 rotors, so. Whoa, that was sick. That was really cool. Okay, let's try to see this do. Oh, jeez. Alright. Alright, let's see here. Let's try this again. Whoa. That was really cool. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. It'd really help me and support me. Subscribe if you're new, and have a nice day. Peace out.